Now the next example is x square y double dash plus xy dash plus y is equal to 2 times cos square log x. See the right hand side, I will not go in the detail, so everything substitution and all. So if you simplify, we'll get the root as what here, d is equal to plus or minus I, which is nothing but complementary function is c1 cos t plus c2 sin t. So I want to concentrate for yp. So yp we got right hand side, you have seen here. So right hand side is 2 times. So just see here, right hand side in the question what they have given, 2 times cos square log x. If you replace the value of log x as t, this will become what here, 2 cos square log x will become what here, t. So this will become 2 times cos square t. So which is nothing but right hand side, and with the help of right hand side we can easily find the value of what here, complement particular integral. So I have taken this in, just see, 2 times cos square t upon d square plus 1. So but cos square will not come under any type, so this can be written as, already we have solved this kind of question, but again still I am taking cos square t can be written as 1 plus cos 2t upon 2. So you replace, in place of cos square 2 you replace this and go for the type 2 and the further steps. So I have simplified. So I have replaced cos square t as 1 plus cos 2t upon 2. Already we have 2, this 2 and 2 get cancelled. So we have left with 1 plus cos 2t upon d square plus 1. So we got numerator 2 terms. So it will separate it. One will become 1 upon d square plus 1, and second will become what here, cos 2t upon d square plus 1. So here for the first one, 1 can be written as e raised to 0 into t. We'll convert this one as in the type 1, and this is type 2. So for the first term you need to apply type 1, where the value of d is 0, and in the second term value of d is minus times 2 square, d square will be minus times 2 square, which is nothing but minus 4. So if you simplify, in the denominators the value of d and d square in the first and second term, so it will become 0 square plus 1, and here it will become minus 4 plus 1. So 1 upon 1, because e raised to 0 t is nothing but again 1, because we have done the simplification, we can go back and we have to mention it is as 1 only. So 0 square plus 1 is 1, and here cos 2t upon minus 3. So which can be written as 1 minus cos 2t upon 3 here. Why it is minus? Because minus into plus is minus here. So now with the help of this you conclude for the complete solution as y is equal to yc plus yp. So yc is nothing but c1 cos t plus c2 sin t, and we got yp as 1 minus cos 2t upon 3. So now you replace the value of t as log x. So c1 cos of log x plus c2 sin of log x plus 1 as it is, minus cos 2 times log x upon 3. So this is a required general solution. Now, so these are the questions we have seen in the Cauchy's linear equation, and these are the questions I have given to work out with the solutions. You need to work out and submit as an assignment for the next workout. Almost 4 questions with solution I have given here.